friends, today I am going to do a thread art like this. I have made it with the embroidery thread. You can make it in the silk thread also. See how beautiful it is. So let's see how we can make this one. So now let's start. Materials which we required. Glue. It's 20 rupees. Second thing, embroidery thread. Third one, scissor. Fourth one, cardboard. Scale and pencil. See, I have collected the thread, embroidered threads here. I have taken one color. Here it's 2 thread. So every color you should take 2 threads. Here you see one color is over, second color, one minute, third color, fourth color, fifth one, six, seven, 8. 8 colors I have taken here. You can take any color if you want. Your choice colors you can take. And here I have taken this color because last extra thread it is, because last we should tie it. So let's keep this one aside. Take a cardboard. I have marked here. Here you see like this. I have marked the sides. And I have cut it also. Here you see. Here's some mark. Here you see. Some marks I have made, and I have made the hole also. Yes, so for starting this thread art, so first you should remove some knots of the thread like this, so that it will not be problem for you when you are tying or making the thread. I have made half, correctly half I have made, and I have cut it also. Here see, it's the correct half, and this part, middle part, and it's tied also, tied. I have tied it here. What you should do, you should put this tied one inside of the hole. Do not make the hole a very big one, because if it will go directly inside, then you cannot make it. So I have made the hole small so that it will be very tight and perfect to make. And here you see I have kept this so that it will, if I pull it, it will not come, and I will push little so that it will come in. Yeah. So now first what you should do for making this, you should set the colors. first order wise. Here I am going to set the colors which you have made here, holes or cut it, which you have cutted the part, you should put them. One color was more, so I have cut it, removed it. So now let's see the method how to make a beautiful thread art. Okay, so for making a beautiful thread art, first see, I have made the 8 holes, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, right? So for making this 8, see, 1, keep this hole as empty and I will remove this one hole. Means I will not remove it. I will keep one finger here and 1, 2, 3. Green color are you seeing? So take that green color, 1 minute, and put it here to this hole. Okay, and this hole will be empty, right? So go to that hole. Hold the finger, 1, 2, 3. Take the red color, put it here. And come here, again this color, put this here. And now this to this cream color, move it here and put it here. Make this process, as I have said, continuously you should make it so that it will be look very nice. Oh my god, 1 minute. Here you see, now from this to this green. Red. I hope you are observing this art which I have made with this one, how it is coming. Here you see. Are you able to see this? It will come like this. Friends, here you see I have completed and my threads are very small. So now I am going to tie it. For tying, what you should do, first hold this point, midpoint, then remove these all the threads. Are you able to see, friends? Yes. And what you should do, hold it and tie it here. Tie with this or with any color. I'm going to remove it. So here you see, friends, I have tied with the yellow color. Only one knot I have folded. Now I will go to put another one. I have tied it very tightly. So now I am going to cut it. before cutting, here you see 2 threads. I will roll it once and I will relax. Now here you see first you should cut it. I will cut this much itself and I will keep it. These threads should make it as level. And cut it. So this remaining, this tied yellow thread is there now. You should put it inside and just make a roll. Here you see it's ready. See friends, how simple and beautifully we have made this thread. You can make this earring and necklace also. You can make small and leave like this itself, so that you can put here the hook and you can wear like earring. For necklace you should make a big one, and you will get one end clip. You should put it here and another side also. Then you will get the hook. You should fix it. So you can make it as a bracelet, necklace, earring, anything. So this is my today's thread art. Thank you.